Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Essence Hey L.A eyeshadow palette. If you do want to see a review and a demo, please keep watching. This eyeshadow palette retails for $9.99 at Ulta. I did also review these two other eyeshadow palettes by Essence as well. If you guys have not seen that video, I'll link it right over here in the cards. Here's a closer look on what the packaging looks like. It says Hey L.A. Again, I love the detailing on the packaging. It's so beautiful. On the back, we do have the ingredients and then a little description about the eyeshadow palette. Let's go ahead and open this up. So pretty. I love the colors. I do want to read a little bit about this eyeshadow palette on the back. It says, "Hey Los Angeles, inspired by the gorgeous pinks and golds of the Santa Monica sunset and the bright lights of Hollywood, these 9 highly pigment eyeshadows are sure to turn heads from Rodeo Drive to the Walk of Fame. A perfect combo of matte and shimmer finishes. It's your one-way ticket to the city of stars." I'm just gonna remove this plastic film. This just comes off like so. As you guys have heard me say so many times, it's just there to protect the shades from breaking apart. So I'm just gonna slide that right on out. Of course, this eyeshadow palette does come with a mirror, which you guys know I love. We're gonna start with the first shade here in the eyeshadow palette. Very creamy in the pan. I do want to build up this vanilla shade. We'll blend it out as well. Let's see what the next shade in this eyeshadow palette looks like. Ooh, another soft, buttery shade. I do want to blend this shadow out. Let's see what the next shade looks like. This one's a little bit scratchy in the pan. I do want to blend this out as well. Let's see what the next shade looks like. So soft again in the pan. Ooh, this orange is so pretty. Let's blend it out. Let's see what this next shade looks like. And we'll blend this shade out as well, since we're blending out every shadow. Let's see what the first shade in the bottom row swatch is like. A little bit scratchy in the pan. This will be a nice transition shadow. Let's blend this out. You want to build this up. We'll blend it out. There we go, much better. We have this hot pink shadow. Wow, that hot pink shade is so vibrant. Let's blend it out. I'm so happy for this hot pink shadow. Next shade is a neutral pink shadow. That's a nice pink shade. Let's blend it out. Last shade, we have this beautiful purple. The purple shade isn't as pigmented, so let's build it up. Let's try this purple shade one more time. Okay, that's better. Let's blend her out. Here we have all 9 shades swatched on the back of my hand. Now we're going to create a look using this eyeshadow palette. Taking a fluffy brush, we're going to dip into this tan shade here. We're going to apply that all over the crease. That shadow was so easy to blend out. Taking another fluffy brush, we're gonna dip into this pinky shade. We're gonna apply that all over the lid. Actually, you know what? I changed my mind. I don't wanna apply that all over the lid. I wanna apply that right underneath that shade that we applied first. On the lid, but not covering up what we did on the crease. Just a little hint of color so it flows nicely together. I'll show you guys in a second. What I I did is I applied that pink shade right underneath that first shadow, tapped it in, and I blended it out like I'm doing right now. That way you can see both of the shadows. They look really good blended out together. Taking a flat brush, we're gonna apply this purple shade on our outer V. Taking a little bit and just blending it upwards. Moving that shade slowly upwards, not so much where the center of my lid is, just covering the outer V, and then kind of bringing it back a little bit. I created a little bit of a wing. I'm not sure if I'll keep that wing, but it looks good. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other eye. Here's how that purple shade looks like. Again, I'm not completely in love with it, but I'll keep it for this eye look. Using that same brush, we're gonna dip into this hot pink shadow. We're gonna apply that all over the lid. I expected the hot pink shade to pack more of a punch. I'm gonna wet my brush with some setting spray. Now let's see how it performs. I like that a whole lot better. The pink shadow does have a little bit of fallout. I'm gonna clean that up really quickly and I'll be right back. Taking a small flat brush, we're gonna dip into this orange shadow. We're gonna apply that right next to the hot pink. I applied the orange shadow right here next to the hot pink shade. Taking a smaller brush, we're gonna dip into this golden shade. We're gonna apply that shade in our inner corner. Here's how everything looks like. I actually like the purple wing. It looks really nice. I'm gonna apply some mascara. The mascara I use is from Stila. This is their Huge Extreme Mascara. For lips, I'm gonna apply the shade in Mont Blanc. I kind of overdrew my lips just a little bit so it can look a little bit plumper. I like how it turned out. It looks really good. Here's how everything is currently looking like. My final thoughts on this eyeshadow palette is that I like all the shades so far that I've used. They're really great quality. They're affordable at the drugstore. Plus, it comes with a decent size mirror and it's only $10. I would highly recommend all three of these eyeshadow palettes. Next time you guys are at Ulta, definitely check them out. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.